In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing data for work or personal projects, knowing how to efficiently add columns can be a huge time saver. Let's dive in. To get started, first, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to the Google Sheets homepage and selecting the sheet you want to work with. If you don't have one created yet, you can start a new spreadsheet from there. Once you're on your spreadsheet, the next step is to select a column header. By clicking on the lettered header at the top of the column, you ensure that the entire column is highlighted. This is important because it tells Google Sheets where you want your new column to be placed. Now that you've selected your column, look for the menu option at the top of your screen labeled Insert. Clicking on this will bring up a drop-down menu with various options for what you can insert into your spreadsheet. Within this drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Columns. Hover over this and you'll notice some additional options appear. Here, you can choose where you want your new column to be inserted relative to the column you've selected. Click on Insert one column left to add a new column to the left of your selected column. Once you do this, you'll see a fresh blank column appear in your sheet, giving you more space to input the data you need. If you want to add another column, no problem. Simply repeat the process by again selecting a column header. This time, when you go to the Insert menu, you'll choose to insert one column right if you want the new column to be placed to the right of the selected column. You'll see, once again, a new blank column will show up. This flexibility allows you to organize your data exactly as you need. The beauty of Google Sheets is that it lets you add as many columns as your project requires, with just a few quick clicks, making data management a breeze. To wrap up, adding columns in Google Sheets is a straightforward process. Just open your sheet, select your column header, click the Insert menu, choose Columns, and then place your column either to the left or right. Practice this a few times, and you'll become a pro at customizing your spreadsheets in no time. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.